I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound,
really sure if I need this, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for the first time. If it don't work, I mean, it's $15, so I mean, I guess. You can see them, but that's how they look. I didn't like the left one at first. It's growing on me though, but they are definitely sisters and not twins. But yep, now I probably should do my hair, cause baby, I've been rocking this ponytail for a little too long. Okay, focus, there we go. Been rocking this ponytail a little too long, so we will see. But I will give the eyebrow tint I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Definitely a less expensive option if you guys can manage it. But yeah, 10 minutes and this is where we are.
Yo, raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego, we pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso, need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful, another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade, sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change what's around you. How you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sink. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane, hydroplane? I'm just playing. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane?
I'm just playing.
A beat by Joby, feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi, cause I'm a star and they can't hold me like I'm Kobe in the fourth. Yeah, nothing is ever forced, we headed straight to the source. No middleman, little man, let me show you if you was lost. It's a couple college courses, but I ain't finished that shit. Been chasing dreams since 17, so yeah, I've been on my shit. Yeah, we loaded up the vault and had to empty the clip. Remember days we wasn't paid and had to roll up the clips. Now the herbs be extra strong and they come in a zip. People say we taking long, but we ain't rushing with shit. Put the plans in God's hands and he gon' bless us with riches. I ain't tripping over shit because I'm watching my step. Putting money on the phone, could dab and call and collect.
Alright, here we go. Homemade pizza. Got a little greens on the side, trying to be healthy. And my kombucha. Well, good morning. It's Christmas Eve. Here is my attempt at trying to be healthy in the meantime, but these are protein French toast. You know, just regular protein French toast with basically adding protein powder in it, egg whites. I added a little cinnamon, banana. On top is maple syrup, and I added a little PB2 powder too, just to get that little extra protein in there. But that's it. I hope everybody is enjoying their day. And we're still in -2-degree weather here. Or maybe it's -6. I don't even remember, but it's negative something. It's about 6:30-ish right now, and pretty much today was a day from hell. It was mad stressful. So like I'm doing the things, cooking, you know, making Christmas dinner for tomorrow, and I don't know what happened. I don't know why. I think I got some old noodles from my macaroni and cheese, because boiled the water, put the noodles in the boiling water, and when I tell you, I've never seen this happen in my life, and I wish I could have got it on camera, but I didn't, wasn't thinking. It disintegrated. Like the noodles disintegrated. Whoosh, like it turned into soup. And it is about 2 o'clock, and I am like, how am I supposed to get noodles at 2 o'clock? In the aftermath of a winter storm, still under a freeze warning, there was no one delivering. And I'm at work still. I was at work until 4 o'clock, and I know things either were closing earlier or they closed it. They wasn't gonna be open. So my parents ended up coming through, but unfortunately they ran out of macaroni noodles. So there was no like elbow macaroni noodles anywhere at any of the grocery stores around us. So I had to use corkscrew noodles. I mean, noodles are noodles, right? As long as I didn't have to make like fettuccine alfredo for Christmas, I guess we're fine, right? But I mean, it was just one of those things where it's like, okay, so I can be panicked, upset, whatever have you. You got something. At least the noodles are fresh. They did not turn into sauce when you put them in the. And on top of that, I'm still windmilling with this one memory card, so it ran out of memory. I forgot where I was at. Oh yeah, so at least they were actually noodles and not sauce, because I feel like that was probably what's gonna happen. So I didn't want to ruin such a staple, of course, in any black household for real, is macaroni and cheese, and I'm not gonna be the one to ruin it. Not in the year of our Lord 2022. I won't be ruining it. But so yeah, I finally got noodles. They're just not the traditional ones, so I don't know if this is a lesson, but this is what I'm taking from it. Once, you know, sometimes things may not go the way you plan it, Sometimes it might look a little different. Sometimes you gotta move around. Sometimes you gotta work with what's available to you. What you have doesn't mean that it's gonna produce a lesser result. And I wouldn't say enjoy the journey, because this was not enjoyable. And I tell you, I am utterly exhausted, but I'm gonna still keep on keeping on. So just know that things can change at the drop of a dime, and even though you got everything planned out, your plan might not always work, and that's okay. Push come to shove, what's the worst case scenario, and is it really gonna be that bad if that worst case scenario happens? No, it wouldn't have been that bad if we wouldn't have had macaroni and cheese tomorrow. Would I have been upset and disappointed? Yeah, I've been pissed, but I mean, it would have been fine, and it's still gonna be fine, and the macaroni and cheese is gonna be good. It's just they're hard stars, corkscrews, clovers, and balloons. Yay, yay. Yep, so we got it going. Better late than never, but we got it going, y'all. So yep, there are our special shapes macaroni. We got some yams at the top. I just took the foil off so it can kind of glaze over a little bit. I might have to add some more ingredients to that, but we'll see here in a second. But yep, it's doing the things, I guess. The robe is from Target. Prepare to be sick of me in this robe. Oh my god, this is the most comfortable robe I've ever had. But today is finally over with. The food is done. Tomorrow is Christmas. We made it. Next week will be a new year. It's hard to believe though. But if you stuck to the end, thank you so much for watching. I think I've earned, I really think I've earned this bottle of rosé. I had to look and see what the name was. But it's at Elf, it's Barefoot, it's the Bright and Breezy, and it says it's lower in alcohol. I guess that's good. I don't know. I kind of want a little bit higher alcohol content at this point, but it's only 70 calories and 6% alcohol. So there we go. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, happy whatever you celebrate, and whew, I'm happy to get off my feet at this point. But see y'all next time.